Hi, I'm Gary, KB9AIT, and with my partner Terry, N9AOT, we are Wolf River Coils. Today I'm going to demo how to put an SO-239 together. It comes in a kit like this with our camera tripod, but it comes also with our regular tripod and with our spike. I'll show you how to put this together. So the SO-239 comes in 4 parts. There's this part which takes the coax. There's this part which is a star washer. This part, which is the most important part, is a nylon or rubber washer, and then there's a coupling nut. So this is the camera tripod plate, and this is all ground, by the way. So what you do is you take the SO-239 and it just pops in the bottom. So now you can see that this part and this part are coupled as a ground piece. This nylon washer or rubber washer, whichever one you have, has a little ridge on it, and that ridge goes in the hole here, like that. Now what that ridge does is it isolates this piece, which is where the RF goes through, with the ground. So that is now separate. The star washer goes on top, the coupling nut goes here. What the coupling nut is for is so you can put your antenna on it. So this gets tightened down. Grab a wrench, just, you don't have to tighten it down too much, just kind of snug. And then if you had an antenna, the antenna would screw into this. If you have a camera tripod, these pieces go here, which are where you put your ground. The camera obviously goes here. But now how this SO-239 goes together on every time you use an SO-239, they are kind of identical. So what happens is the coax goes here, under here, you screw that in. The other end obviously goes to the radio, and your antenna goes on top. And all the SO-239 is an input for your coax, and it isolates the RF that goes through from the ground system. So that's all it is. Now, the way to test this is if you had a continuity checker, you should have no continuity from here to the antenna. So that's how an SO-239 works. Thank you for watching the video. I'm Gary, KB9AIT, and again with my partner Terry, N9AOT, we are Wolf River Coils. Thank you.